We discovered this tree at the edge of our yard. The trunk you see in the background is the same tree with the fruit. This picture was taken in October of last year. What is it? Thank you, Cameron. So can we help Cameron out with that?
Oh, I think we can. That is a persimmon tree. It's a
tree.
very nice native tree. The animals love the
Yes.
persimmons. In fact, we can eat those persimmons, but you make sure they turn orange.
Yes.
Because
Don't eat
they're
too many of them.
good. Good to eat them. You'll find there'll be it's a berry because it has more than one seed, and so and there's a lot of persimmons that have been cultivated because of this wild persimmon that are more meaty than this particular wild persimmon. But you can eat these just as well. And so do the animals. Wonderful tree.
So it's good for wildlife and for us.
Yes,
All
it
right.
is.
All right, so persimmon tree, yeah, beautiful trunk on persimmon trees.
I love it,
You know,
yeah.
as well. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.